Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL Tab 10S, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on languages and input and enter languages. Tap on it. And here we have to tap on add a language. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which you can choose. So basically, all you have to do is to simply find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick this one. Sometimes you will also be able to pick the region, so again, just tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, our newly chosen language has been immediately applied to this list, but still English is a main one, so we have to switch the position of both. So let's tap on the one you'd like to use and tap on it and hold it and simply drag it to the very first position. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. Let me get back to this list to switch to the English to show you again. And as you can see, after setting the English on the very first position, the whole system will be in the chosen language. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the language from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon, tap on remove, and we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your TCL Tab 10S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.